Let X having a normal with mean 200 and variance 25. Find the value of X naught in each of the following cases, where part C, given that probability of X less than X naught is 0.0158. Now, first and foremost, you should know that your normal distribution having the parameter of mu and sigma square. So you can compare, you know that your mu is 200 and your sigma square is 25. Now, parameter used in normal is sigma. So to find sigma is square root both sides. So you're going to get sigma is 5. Okay. Now, question asks, to find X naught if given Px less than X naught equivalent to 0.0158. First step is you change from your normal distribution into standard normal distribution. Now, this changing from X to Z, you have to use the Z score. Z score is Z equivalent to X minus mu over by sigma. Okay, so probability of changing Z will be less than X naught minus by mu 200 over by your sigma is equivalent to 5, and then will be equivalent to 0.0158, where it doesn't change from the probability before. Then you can simplify your X naught minus by 200 over 5 as Z naught, and then you write it as such this. Alright, I want to show you how to actually find the Z naught if you are given this kind of probability. Alright, so first thing first, determine your probability given, where over here probability for Z less than Z naught is 0.0158. Now this probability is much less than 0.5. How to find the Z naught is you have to draw the region. Alright, now the region, you might have your Z at the positive Z or at the negative Z. So your region basically is this part, because they want it less than. For Z negative, this part. If you have your Z naught as a positive, so your PZ less than Z naught, half of it, when Z is less than 0, this particular half, already taken 0.5, the area or the probability. For sure, if you add up with this region, it will be more than 0.5. So for the question 0.0158, is it logic for you to have at the region of Z less than Z naught when Z naught is positive? Fortunately, it is not, because the 0.0158 is less than 0.5. So for Z naught at negative, the region will be fall at the Z less than 0. So you can say that your Z, probability of Z less than Z naught will have less than 0.5, which is satisfy the question 1. So that's why your Z naught is a negative number. To find the Z value, find the probability that is equivalent to or closest to what's given, which is 0.058. So from the table, you can find that it is actually here. Alright, so you have it at 0.058 with a Z value 2.15. So you know that your Z value will be 2.15. Now write down your answer. Your answer of Z will be negative 2.15. Then calculate, because you know already that Z naught equivalent to X naught minus by 200 over by 5. Z naught known just now from the table, negative 2.15. X naught minus by 200 over by 5. And use your calculator, you will get your answer 189.25.